got ourselves a 2011 Nissan Versa. We're going to do the ignition coils and the spark plugs on this thing. So we got to take off all this stuff to get down to it. Alright, so that top covers off, and now you have to take off this manifold. As you can see, the coil packs are right there. So off goes the manifold. Also really important when working on electrical stuff like coil packs, remove the battery lead. There you have it, guys. Manifold off. We can now have the ignition coils exposed. Next step is to undo them and then get the spark plugs out. Alright, so these are the ignition coils we're putting in. I'll link it in the description. I got it off of Amazon. It comes with the coils and the spark plugs. So we decided to do the coils because it was having a misfire on cylinder 2. Now, taking a look at all these spark plugs, they're pretty bad off too. So, see if we can get that to focus in. Nope. Come on. They got a bunch of crud on them. That goes for all of them. So, it's a good thing to replace them too. This is what the new spark plugs look like. They're pre-gapped. A lot better. Alright, time to slide in those brand new coils. Right down in like that. Now we'll attach the bolts and then the wires. Alright, she's all back together. Not too bad of a job. Sounds amazing. Hopefully some good miles on to go. So, see you guys on the next video.